Hi, it's Todd the Town. It's Russell Smith and Phil Lamb, and we're here.
You're again.
Hedenham St Peter, you can see in front of us on this
different.
lovely Saturday afternoon in the middle of January.
Yeah.
We're a very small sort of west tower there. We have a nave. I can't see, I don't think there's an aisle there. Quite a central south porch. And we have a chancel over to the east there, the right.
More concrete.
Yep, big restoration here. So there is a medieval core. Let's go and check it out then. We've got quite a large churchyard. Yeah, it's a very small village here at Hedenham. We're about 2 or 3 miles north of Bungay.
Yes.
Let's just take a little amble round to the west here. So we're inside the porch. We've got 2 benches, and we have this rather interesting south doorway.
Yeah.
Sort of
stud work on there.
Yeah. The door itself is looks very ancient. I wonder if that's perhaps not the original door, Russell, but
Metal work is, isn't it? Yeah.
certainly 15th, 16th century. You can see the ironwork on there.
Yeah.
The studs, see the studs?
Yeah, it's unusual, isn't it? Gold, isn't it?
So let's have a look at the arch. See the hood moulds there were probably from the restoration. See some crosses there.
Yeah, no faces, isn't it?
Visitors and knights into the church. Same there. Let's have a look in.
Yeah,
We're open.
Yay.
So here we are.
Yeah.
It's wow, quite a surprisingly large nave. We've got no aisles.
Yeah.
We've got lancet windows on the north side. A lot of Victorian benches.
You've got a few memorials on the wall, isn't there?
Lots of memorials. We'll come to those in a little while. So much of the nave and the tower, although its core is medieval, there was a very, very big Victorian restoration. We can have a look at the font here.
Yes. Let's get that. Looks better than old days, really, isn't it?
Hexagonal. It's recut apparently.
Yeah.
It's, I think it's 15th century. You can see at the bottom there, you can see the colonnettes, the smaller base than we're used to.
Yeah.
With shields, roses. There you go. Looking west towards the chancel arch.
Cheeky.
Oh, lovely, Russell. That's nice, look, isn't it? You can see the church now. Well done. We got a very narrow tower arch there.
Yeah.
The tower itself from the 15th century. We have some benches around the wall. It looks like wainscoting as well,
Yeah, not very old, are they?
particularly old. The corner here. We have some local information. Some books for sale, as you see in many churches these days.
You do indeed.
Local books, well, yeah, that looks interesting. The Suffolk Guide.
Oh, yeah.
Always worth a look through, isn't it, Russell?
95 married in Norwich, yeah.
Stuff that's worthwhile.
Yeah.
We have some pictures of the church, perhaps that one before the restoration, perhaps the drawing there.
It's the rectors.
Old black and white photo. Look at that. How old is that, Russell?
Yeah, I'm sure. It's unusual, isn't it?
Good.
So the rectors over here.
We have some portraits of some of the former rectors, I presume.
Oh, I think they're bishops, actually. Some of them.
Bishops and bishops as well.
Norwich, yeah.
Obviously, some of them are drawings from the 17th,
Maybe,
16th century. No, 17th.
Yeah, bishops in Norwich, yeah. Perhaps they were,
Bishops in Norwich.
yeah. I mean, that was a rector of Hedenham, 1931-32.
Victorian gentleman there. Drawing of the church, how it used to look. Hedenham Church. Photograph of the interior. St Peter and St Mary then.
Yes, unusual.
So we had a major restoration here in 1862 to 1863.
Yes, you can see that.
Chancel arch, very tall pointed chancel arches from that restoration. Let's take a walk eastwards along the nave. You see the north door there. A little bit more central use for a lot of monuments.
Yes. Couldn't see with the lights off, could you? That was pretty dark.
18th and 19th century.
Yeah.
Particularly nice one over there, Russell.
Yeah, isn't there? That's 17th, 18th, is it? 18th century? Yeah, 1767.
1767.
Yeah.
For the north wall,
Yeah, oh, some brasses. They've got on the wall,
some
that's good.
brasses
That's good. Yes, we've got old ones, haven't
stretched across here. The inscriptions, not the actual figures themselves.
we?
We've got,
1595, that one.
Yeah. see there? 1595, Russell.
Yeah. It's good that they've actually saved them, haven't they? Put them on the wall like that. Yeah.
Okay.
See them.
Let's see who it is. One there, that's in Roman numerals, that'll be a bit older. Let's see which one that is there.
Difficult to read, isn't it?
Another one there. Another one right over there.
This one here is 1694, I think.
Is that that's John Richmond, 1694?
Yeah, that's a big good one, isn't it?
Lovely one, isn't it? You see the
Surprising.
broken pediment,
Yeah,
the urn at the top there.
Yeah. Surprising one. His little church is tucked away. You didn't realise it.
Yeah, I think the village was a lot more important back then, Russell.
Maybe.
The whole area was, I think, to be honest.
Yeah.
So that's a beautiful late 17th example.
Very. I had a hall, hidden hall there as well too, so very well to do.
So you've got the Victorian pulpit. Actually, I think it might be a bit later than that.
Could be.
So you got a rail from the early 18th century here. You should cross the chancel arch, not where you usually find. You usually find the rood screen here, don't you?
Yeah, early 18th, is it?
Yes, early 18th century. Look, you see twisted, turned banisters, they call it.
Yep.
No sign of a rood screen stairs or anything. Because the restoration obviously altered it.
They've done painting on the walls as well, haven't
Got some stools and benches
they? I don't think that's.
either side of the chancel here.
Yeah. I don't think that's.
Some older benches here, Russ, I think. I'm not sure if they're older than the Victorian ones,
Oh, I think
possibly.
they probably are, aren't they?
Look like it, doesn't it?
Yeah. Those more memorials in here. Full of memorials actually. This church. Look at this. No room left on the wall, was there?
So we've got an organ here, Russ. Can you tell us anything
what's
about
the
this one?
That's
Yeah.
good
Check
sound
out the
that.
pipes.
That's a powerful sound out of this one, isn't it? Does it say
No?
19?
Okay.
Who's built it? Could be a Norman indeed. There you go. J. Walker and Sons in London, 18. Don't think it's 1885, it's 20th century.
So here we have the communion rail from the early 18th century.
Do we? Oh, yeah. That was old as well, wasn't it?
Yeah, I'll come to that. Yeah, they're losing a
You
little
sure
bit of
that
light
was
here.
More modern, that does.
Yeah, I think this is
That's
from...
a communion. They used a communion rail for the early 18th century for that screen, didn't they? So that was originally here, they moved it there.
not sure, I think...
Yeah, that's Victorian. This isn't early 18th century.
So we have another like a rail here, I think partly from the Victorian Restoration.
No lights here, unfortunately.
No.
It's jam packed full of memorials
You have
in
a
this chancel.
remarkably ornate sedilia
Yeah,
from the Restoration
Yeah, you can see it's Victorian.
and Reredos in the background there.
Oh, monument there,
1594.
yeah. Yes, that's pretty good. Got the gentleman there, you can see him. Of course, cold in the church, you can see the breast.
Robert Bedingfield, is it?
Yeah, there's one
Let's
next
see the inscription on there.
Oh, yeah, there's one next to this. Amazing up there, the skull up there.
No. Francis Bacon from 1663 with a huge, you can see the skull motif, the roundels with the figures in there.
Look at that.
So that's during the Restoration, of course. That's huge, isn't it? Almost stretches up to the roof.
Yeah.
Francis Bacon. And the north wall of the chancel has absolutely tons of monuments, doesn't it? We can see the
I don't see this very often. It's a surprise, isn't it?
figure here. Man in prayer.
Very good.
And wonderful, isn't it? Look at that. It's incredible. Here's, look, you can see his face. Almost sort of tilted towards us, isn't it, really? In prayer, there's the prayer desk.
That's it.
Inscription up there, can't quite read it.
It's dark, isn't it?
Scrolls either side and columns. It's got a rough, so I presume it's just either side of 1600 perhaps.
Yeah, we got
A nice one, yep.
I think it's some light. I can't really sort of read it. It's light,
1621 is it, Russell?
Yes, 1621.
Nice
yeah.
one, thanks Russell.
Very dark in here, isn't it? They're in the daylight, this is.
Yeah, the roof is gorgeously ornate, look at that. Isn't that wonderful?
Yeah, very well decorated and stored here.
And the Victorian Restoration and the chancel arch itself. Yeah, quite dramatic.
Okay.
So we have a brass here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Let's see, Richard Green, that is 1502.
Yeah.
There you go.
Very good.
A few early 18th century memorial slabs. Yeah. See that one, Russell?
Yeah, big, isn't it?
There's a couple of three very nice memorials.
Aren't they? Bedingfield.
Yeah, this is absolutely jammed, isn't it, this church? With great memorials from the 16th, 17th and 18th century and beyond.
Bedingfield was the name of the family at Oxford Halls. I wonder if there's any relation there.
Oh, almost certainly, yeah.
Catholic family, though.
So let's walk back into the nave, get some light. We've got another one up there, that's 1762.
Yeah, actually, crown, yeah. Look at them. All the several churches put together in here.
You've got absolutely jammed for the memorials. Windows on the south side of the nave. Some the Victorian stained glass.
Got some painting on the charts last week, haven't we?
Can't see a guidebook for this particular church. Yeah, absolutely a church full of monuments.
Is the 10th, is it?
10th, yeah. The rear side of the south door. See how old it is, how it's made.
Yeah, it's an old one.
Magnificent, absolutely magnificent. Russell turning off the lights there.
Mustn't forget to do
Lights
that.
out.
Foot scraper of Victorian, perhaps, yeah.
Not as common as you might think.
No, they're not, are they? No.
No.
They've got rid of them, don't they?
Okay, so let's just have a quick walk around the church.
Mm.
I say sort of cement rendered, so not the blocked window there. Single story porch. We've got a stairwell going up the south side of the tower.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So it's little windows. It's the west side of the tower. So the tower is pretty small, isn't it? It's quite narrow, yeah.
Some of them would say, yeah. Square tower, yeah, not round.
Yep, in 3 stages.
Yeah.
Partly Victorian, partly 15th century. So on the north side here, north side of the tower.
Yeah.
Quite plain really, isn't it? North side of the chancel, you see a little lancet window there, indicating 13th century origin for the nave. You see a probably like a, not really a north porch, it's probably a vestry, I'd say, probably from Victorian period.
Usually are, aren't they?
Near from the northeast.
Yeah.
Further lancet windows, not an alignment. Interesting. Chancel, sort of extension. That's all north side of the chancel.
To do with the memorials, I should imagine.
Yes, I think so. Yeah, it could be. That's something to do with the memorials. You're right. You can see that the east side of the nave is a step gables, kind of odd
Yes.
for a church. You see them a lot in the farmhouses and manor houses around here. East window.
Yeah.
We have a style of window they called reticulated, geometric design. Usually indicates a sort of early to mid 14th century sort of origin. We say the chancels rebuilt in the Victorian age, so they probably copied it across from the original.
Yeah.
South side of the chancel, we've got a looks like an 18th century memorial. Memorials here, run out of space inside. Priest store.
Yeah,
got a date on there, though, 1827.
Oh, right, 1827.
Right there. Looks like.
1877.
They've got a large graveyard.
Isn't they, for a small church?
Some 18th century
Gravestones.
gravestones. So, we finished here at Hedenham.
Yeah, very nice. Very
and
good.
quite a surprising church.
It
I
is.
didn't expect it. Absolutely full of amazing memorials.
Yeah, crazy. Yeah,
From the from the 1500s right through to the Victorian period. Yeah,
painted stuff on the roof and the chancel arch. They've done
it's a lovely little village as well.
Yes, very nice.
You've got Hedenham Hall.
Don't often come through here because it's obviously bypassed by the main road, isn't it? The Bungay Road.
That's true. Yeah, the roads around here are really quite narrow, aren't they?
It's quite
Lots
nice
of like
to
farm
see it.
area and stuff. But absolutely
lovely.
worth visiting.
Definitely.
Yeah, and there's a few other items, a few brasses and things as
Oh
well.
yes,
in
there
there,
was. Yeah.
which are worth a look. Thanks very much for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.